Today, 32 central banks and 12 financial authorities from 44 countries will meet in El Salvador to hold a roundtable on Bitcoin and its rollout and impact on El Salvador. We don't expect this to impact the market. After all, we've seen a wave of institutional adoption take place over the past few months while the market has been in decline. The attendees listed so far are all from emerging and frontier economies, and a great many of them are commodity exporting countries. A few weeks ago, we noted how the Central African Republic adopting Bitcoin for trade could be a marker for a future link between the crypto space and renewables. Well, we're watching, and we'll keep you posted. Meanwhile, looking at the markets, Bitcoin bounced back to around the $30,000 mark after a soiree down to the $25,000 region. And in terms of how the market is perceiving it, it's amazing how perspectives can change. But it's worth noting that Sunday evening's close represented the 7th weekly red candle, the first time this has ever happened. However, with bearishness seemingly at a peak, especially after the destruction of Luna, an interesting data point has emerged. Broker Bitfinex has a data set that records the number of bullish positions in the Bitcoin market. It's known as BTCUSD longs. In simple terms, traders borrow funds from Bitfinex to make bullish trades on the BTC-USD pair, and the value of opened long positions is measured in BTC. And as we can see, the chart has gone parabolically bullish. Meanwhile, the VIX remains elevated at 29, some way off the key 20 level, which would signal a shifting of risk sentiment. However, as we said yesterday, the market is in a weird space that at times feels divorced from reality. And even though the Luna crash may have fast-forwarded the bear market by a few weeks or months, the broader outlook still looks tough. And as the famous economist John Maynard Keynes once said, the market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. Our advice, keep your powder dry, and if you do take a view, manage your risk very tightly. This is no time for a Hollywood trade.